Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, I'll be discussing on how to quickly write a blog post. Writing a blog post quickly involves several key steps that streamline the process while maintaining quality. Follow along with the video to help you get started. First, set a clear topic and goal. Determine the main idea of your blog post and the purpose behind it. This focus will guide your writing and research. Second, efficient research. Spend a limited amount of time, no more than an hour, gather information from reliable sources. This can include top ranking blogs, research papers, and social media discussions related to your topic. Make notes of key points that resonate with your audience. Third, create a structured outline. Outline your post to establish a clear structure. Your outline should include introduction, briefly introduce your topic and its relevance, body, organize this into main headings, H2, and subheadings H3, with bullet points for key ideas. Conclusion, summarize the main points. Fourth, write a fast first draft. Don't aim for perfection on your first go. Focus on getting your ideas down quickly without worrying about grammar or formatting. This helps overcome writer's block. Fifth, edit and refine. After your draft is complete, take time to revise. Look for clarity, flow, and engagement. Ensure your post is concise and informative, while also being relatable to your readers. 6. Use templates and tools. Consider using blog post templates to streamline formatting. Additionally, AI writing tools can help generate ideas or content, but make sure to edit the output thoroughly. Lastly, practice and improve speed. To write faster, work on your typing speed and keep practicing. By following the steps, you can write engaging blog posts more efficiently, allowing you to produce content consistently while also maintaining a high standard. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how to videos.